What's going on, everybody? You guys ever hear of the AIOZ Network? AIOZ is a new project that I want to dive into. I want to set up a node. You know me, if it has to do with DPIN, I am all in, and I want to test. I want to be able to set these up and forget them, and also earn some passive income on the side. So check this out. It's a platform that's reshaping the digital world through decentralization. AIOZ is pioneering in Web3 storage, decentralized AI computation, and live streaming, all powered by blockchain technology. Why am I bullish on this? Because it's more than just a technology for me. It's basically a change of how we normally use our system, how we share our systems, how we utilize our system day to day. With AIOZ, anybody can contribute to a faster, safer, and more scalable internet by sharing their unused resources like storage. If you have a spare hard drive out there, like me, I have tons of extra hard drives just sitting there or farming chia. And now I want to be able to dive into something like this. And in return, I'm just going to earn some AIOZ tokens. And now why not use my spare or unused file storage, just some USB external drives that I had plugged in. Why not use it like that? Plug those suckers into my computer that's going to be running no matter what and earn back on that. The current price of the AIOZ token right now is about 75 cents, and it just keeps going up. Last week it was about 20-30 cents, and now it just keeps going up. And so we're at 2,000 and change percent on the year. Wow. So why not jump on this? The AIOZ Node costs $0 to install. If you know me, I'm all about getting into the decentralized network, getting into the crypto world where the least amount of funds behind you. So if I'm able to install a node for free, why the hell not? And AIOZ allows you to do that. In the following few videos, I'm going to show you how to install it not only on Windows, I'm going to install it on Linux, and I'm going to install it on Mac. I've already done all of these and then have it running currently on my system here, running for the last couple of days, just earning AIOZ, utilizing one of my external drives that I have plugged in. The way you earn, like it says right here, segments are stored in the selected folder and rewarded when online. Once you send those packets, that's when you're rewarded under delivery. You are rewarded for delivering segments to requesting users. And that's basically what I'm doing now. Okay, so once it's idle, it always works. And then once I leave my system for the day, I'll let that stuff run. And it's running in the background. It's not utilizing a lot of the system resources. You see, here it is run. It's 135 megabits of mem, which is nothing. It is nothing. They have no network performance. I'm going to be monitoring this like I do with everything, and I will let you know how it performs, throughout the day. I also have a bunch of other stuff running on my system. This is my main PC. It's just have it installed on here, and almost every other system in my house, I have a AIOZ node run on. That is why I'm doing it. Imagine in the future, in a world where a digital footprint helps build a more efficient internet, where decentralized solutions offer better security, privacy, and offering rewards. I mean, there's nothing better than that. NVIDIA is not going to do that for you for sharing their GPU. None of them companies are going to do that. They're going to take the profits for themselves. That's why decentralization is key, and it's bringing back the power to the people. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the install, talk a little bit about the AIOZ network, why it's important not only for AI, but for storage solution and online streaming. It's all about gaming, AI, and storage right here. My top 3 projects that I believe are going to go crazy this bull run are all tied into the AIOZ network. So why not, man? This is deep in for the Web3. Let's go all in. There's the chart for AIOZ network. And you can see, back in August, we were down at 53 cents, and it's just been going up and up and up and up. Some pullbacks here and there after, I think, this is when Bitcoin hit its all-time high, retrace high, retrace. So it's going to continue, but it's going to continue going upwards. In about 2 weeks, NVIDIA has their conference. There are going to be top players from sectors speaking at these conferences, and I'm talking about the CEO of Near Protocol, the CEO of Render, their team at Golem will be there, and a bunch of others. I am assuming AIOZ will be there too. And this is just going to pump. This is a coin that I am going to dive into, and I am going to purchase, and I am going to hold. and I am going to dump and collect my profits. Like, of course, there's a lot of other coins and sectors that I want to dive into. In the next 2 weeks, I think this will pump, and I'll be able to gather my earnings and, transfer it into some longer term investments in the crypto realm. So stay tuned. Check out the videos, tutorials. They're super simple. It literally takes 5 minutes to get through it, and have them installed on all your systems. I literally installed it on a Windows system, a Linux box, a Mac box, a Macintosh, a laptop, and maybe 2 or 3 other Windows systems, all within 30 minutes. And so check out the videos below. I'll link them below. Like and subscribe, and check out the videos below.